What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that like and subscribe button. I've been trying to make my videos more entertaining and working on not holding the camera so I'm not moving it around so much. But today, I haven't done this yet. I probably not really needed to, but ordered a screen protector for the radio off of Amazon, and we're just going to install that today, see how it looks compared to the factory plastic that comes on the radio. So before we install this, we get to peel off the factory plastic. So here we go. And the reason I'm installing this is because this has gotten all scratched up. So we're gonna install this now. We're gonna open this up. Hopefully it's easy because I've installed screen protectors on my iPad, and honestly, I always end up with a dog hair under it or dust or something. I suck at it, so hopefully this goes a lot smoother. So we're gonna open this up. Little extended warranty card. Don't need that. Instructions. Yeah. Use dust remover. Yeah. Pretty straightforward. About the same as installing it on a phone or an iPad. So I'm not gonna use this quite yet because I literally just took the factory plastic off, so it's clean. But we're gonna make sure we orient this the correct way, obviously, and that fits good. So we've got it on there. So now we're going to slowly peel off this back right here. So I got it on here. Need to take a card or something, or just work these bubbles out. One good thing is any screen protector I've ever done, these bigger bubbles are a lot easier to work out. It's the small ones that are a pain, but these big ones should be pretty straightforward to work out. So I'll check back in a minute after I get these worked out. Almost got it perfect. I had this bubble and this bubble. I might order another one and try again. This will work for now. It looks like I might just got some dust under it because I can't get it to go down. If I turn the truck on, you can't see them that bad, but they do come with stickers so that you can fix this. I didn't use this, probably should have. It probably would have helped hold everything in place. I got everything straight, but using this sticker for the dust removal might have helped with this issue. But also I'm doing it outside. I mean, you can't, in my opinion, with a screen protector this big, it's going to be nearly impossible to not get any dust under this. But if you guys have better luck, let me know, and I'll link this down below. It's definitely does feel like the tempered glass, so it's good quality. No complaints there. Honestly, I just suck at putting screen protectors on. Even my phone or my iPad, I'd always end up with bubbles, and I try everything to avoid them, and I just can't. And I'm hoping maybe the heat of the truck will kind of work some of these out. If not, I'm just gonna peel this off and get another one and try again. But like and subscribe and let me know if you guys have better luck, and I'll link this down below if you want to order one for yourself.